I really love Bubble. You can develop an app very quickly, but it doesn't alert you when there is an error, when there's a workflow error, when your user, for instance, enters a data in the wrong format, when you have a plugging error, or even when you use an external API service that doesn't work anymore, or even if the external API service you are using stops working. There are so many cases when your app can have a workflow error. You might have already seen a pop-up, app is too busy. You can search manually for errors in your logs every day, but it's not very efficient. That's why we added a monitoring integration for Bubble in NC-Scale. Now you can receive an alert when there is a workflow error. First, you need to connect your Bubble app to NC-Scale to centralize all your logs into NC-Scale. Then NC-Scale categorizes automatically the error. So for example, here we have an error. I can click on it. I have all the information about this log. I have the error message. And if I need to have more context, I can go to the native logs in Bubble to open, for example, the workflow. Okay, now I want to be alerted when there is a new error in my Bubble application. For this, I need to create a new observer. I can add a name, all errors. I choose my Bubble application. Then I will add a filter, so I want to have all errors. And then I select a channel to be alerted. Here I want to be alerted on my Slack channel. Okay, now we can try it. So I just add an error here, as you can see, with a pop-up with a plugin error. And I just receive here a message in my Slack. If I want to have more details about this error, I can click here to open the ticket, because when you have a new error, it will open a new ticket for your team. In this ticket, I can click on the log. I can go to the native log if needed. I have all the information about this error. And I can also set a status if it is fixed or not. I can add a comment for my team if needed. Then I can create a view or a specific alert to monitor if this bug is fixed for real. To create a view, you need to go back to the log management, and you can add specific filters to monitor a specific activity. For example, one type of error. For this, I just need to add here some new conditions based on keys that you can find here. Thanks for watching, and let's start using NC-Scale monitoring for Bubble to improve the user experience. See you in the next one.